Look, listen, and read. Babul and his family live on the island of Dublar Chor. Life is good for the family now, but that wasn't true after Cyclone Aila. Babul does not remember Cyclone Aila, but his parents often talk about that terrible night in 2009. Babul's father had a grocery shop, and his mother worked in a fish farm. They had a small house that they shared with Babul's grandparents. Babul was just a boy, but his sister Nipa was 6 years old. Babul's father told him what happened that night. There was a light rain in the morning on 25th May. In the afternoon, the wind started to blow and people began to run for their homes. Babul's father closed his shop and his mother came home. His grandparents checked the family's emergency kit. Their torch was working and they had extra batteries. They put the torch, batteries, and first aid kit in a plastic box. By the evening, the river was rising. The winds of Cyclone Aila shook the walls of the house as if there was an earthquake. Everyone was afraid. Nipa began to cry. Suddenly, there was an awful noise and the family's roof blew away. The sky was dark, but the family could see trees flying above their heads. Grandmother still says she saw fish flying through the sky. Read the first 4 paragraphs of Activity D from your textbook. Find out the true and false statements in the next slide. Choose the correct answer. 1. Babul's parents had a big house that they shared with Babul's grandparents. 2. Babul's sister Nipa was 6 years old. 3. Babul's mother worked in a shrimp hatchery. 1. What was the name of the cyclone that had hit in Dublar Chor? 2. The wind started to blow in the 3. Dash still says she saw fish flying through the sky.